I am always excited to share a few moments with you every week, distinct people. Wow, someone feels so inspired now. It was Kevin Go that said something. He said, if you don't make the time to work on creating the life you want, you are eventually going to be forced to spend a lot of time dealing with a life you don't want. Oh. Did you know that a lot of people are living a miserable and a vulnerable life today due to what they actually tolerate in their lives? Your life isn't a result of your circumstance, challenges, and situations, but rather a result of what you allow to happen to you in your life. And someone asked me, what if I don't allow it and it happened to me? But it just happened to me. Then I said, even when it happens to you, you can always navigate your way out of the problem you are facing at any point in time. Most of the time, you never try to get off your restriction, limitations, and confusions due to your lack of convictions. You are just being afraid to confront your challenges, and you begin to tune your mindset, your perspective, into the frequency of the less. And there is one thing about your perspective, distinct people. Your perspective dictates your performance, pace, and your place in life. When you live your life without setting boundaries, having no standard, the things you don't want begin to stroll into your life. Permit me to share this story with you, distinct people. In some months back, I just noticed that two of my teeth at the upper part was having a greenish stain, and I said to myself that I'm going to wash it away tomorrow. Like tomorrow. Yes, I tried washing it away, but it wasn't removing at a wash. I paid more attention to my teeth, and not only to those two teeth in particular. After a while, I noticed that it's getting to the third teeth at the upper part already. Now I realized that it was moving from a little problem to a big problem based on what I do. I began to take necessary measure to remove the greenish stains, and after a while, with serious attention and cares, I found out that the stain began to peel off and my teeth started regaining its original white shape. Now I'm enjoying myself. I'm enjoying my teeth. Here's one thing I want you to pick up from that little story. Whatever in your life, any negative thing you fail to pay attention to in your life, by stopping it, we end up paying full attention to you in life. That is, at every stage of your life, you need to pay serious attention to your life if you truly want to live in the reality of your dreams. Because if you allow one negative thing into your life without paying 100% attention to it, soon it begins to affect the good ones you have already in your life. Working your way to making things change is what really brings about the change we are talking about, distinct people. As you're working to allow some good things into your life, as you work to allow some good things to happen to you in your life, you can also work to avoid some bad things from happening to you in life. Someone once said, whatever you tolerate, you can change. And I said of recent that whatever you wish to change, you can change when it's about to exceed your tolerance stage. Only you know exactly what you really want in your life. Stop allowing people to play games on you. Stop allowing life to play games on you. Stop keeping the mindset that you have to conform to a life of mediocrity and settle for the less. Top Anago said, who you are now can change to who you are going to be tomorrow. Create a space for yourself to keep a pace in life. What you don't want, you can change it to what you really want in your life. Only if you stay in control of yourself. Stop allowing someone to condemn you to the situations and the challenges you are passing through right now. in your life. Get this, no one owe you. So get up, go up, wipe your tears and move on, because it is your time, your day, and your life. As you go this week, distinct people, do not limit or restrict yourself, thinking that the good things of life are not meant for you. Remember, a belief in yourself makes you live in the reality of yourself.